Hey guys, it's Shirley. Today I want to solve this Leetcode medium problem called meeting rooms 2. Given an array of meeting time intervals where intervals I equals start and end, return the minimum number of conference rooms required. So this question is basically asking, given an array of intervals, you want to see which meeting time intervals overlap. If they overlap, then another conference room would be needed. But if they don't overlap, you can use the same conference room. So what I'm thinking of is using a heap to keep track of the ending time of each interval, and I'm going to first sort the intervals by the start time. So I'm going to first sort it by the 0 index of the interval. Key is lambda x 0, and then I'm going to initiate a heap, and I'm going to push the first ending time to the heap, so that'll be intervals 0, 1, and then what I want to do is loop through the intervals, the remaining intervals. And if the first element of the heap, free rooms, is less than or equal to the interval, the start time, I'm going to pop out the element from the free rooms, and otherwise I'm going to push the ending time of the next interval, and I'm going to return the length of the free rooms heap. Alright, faster than 64%. So the runtime of this is O of n log n, because sorting is n log n, and looping through the intervals and pushing and popping, that's also n log n. And space time would be O of n. Thanks guys.